I know my brother's got a 37 footer and he's got a Perkins in it.
Yeah.
And
What
my
kind of
other
boat?
brother,
What kind of boat?
I forget the name of the boat. My one brother George, he has a Hatteras,
Yeah.
58 footer. He's got two twin turbocharged V8 Detroit diesels. Is it? Yeah.
We're getting it cleaned up. Hey, y'all gonna be on YouTube,
We are.
and we make a little money. I'll give y'all some money.
All right.
And the cabinet coming out too?
Everything. Yeah. Toss it.
Bill's Carver's on YouTube.
I mean, Tim, if you want those cabinets, you can have those cabinets, but they've been waterlogged, oil, shit. Excuse the language. I'm sorry.
You can put that right
That's all right. I say worse.
Yeah, but
right next to your bed.
I'm making a YouTube video.
Tim,
Huh?
you can put that right next to your bed and all that stuff you got on the floor, you can put it inside of it.
You know what I'm calling this show? This old houseboat.
Yeah, there you go. And what was the guy's name on it?
Renovation.
What?
Renovation. But right now it's gut time. Gut it out.
Hey, that's nice.
You gonna keep that cabinet, Tim?
Huh?
You gonna keep that cabinet?
No.
And then
I got enough cabinets. at
toss
home.
it overboard.
I'm redoing all my cabinets.
I
Yeah.
think I'm gonna keep it.
They had them.
Oh, you're gonna keep it?
Yeah, it's got that little tray. in
Zooty
there.
Coo? Yeah.
You're killing me.
Look, Tim.
That's gonna stink.
No, you know how you have all your stuff?
Oh, Lazy Susan.
Yeah, just let it air out and sand it and refinish it.
Yeah.
Set it outside.
Or paint it.
Yeah.
That's what I did. They painted all my white and they had two different coats of paint.
Yeah.
White and probably both white and one turned yellow. I stripped them down and then left all the where the grooves were in them. I did them in black.
Hey, Bill,
Yeah.
I didn't, in my truck, in the back seat behind the driver, is a cobalt drill. I didn't bring that. When you can, please get that. I appreciate y'all.
Yeah, no problem.
I've already,
I hate to say this, but I knew there was going to be an argument.
yeah.
Because I know Aaron.
Underneath those tools is a construction bag. Put that insulation in there.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Okay.
That way, that insulation don't get wet and make a mess.
Bowers. I got
Here, Tim. I got some bid on there, but I don't know if you need it or not. Here, get to him.
for what?
Now just lay it over there. We're fixing to use it.
I hope this is yours. Yeah, this is.
Yeah, that's mine.
Mine,
Just lay it right over there.
mine broke.
Eric gave me that like 4 years ago.
Really? I love them. Mine jumped in the water. Been jumped in the water 4 times. But
Yeah.
Still works. Well, not much.
Hey, Bill, he's putting that fiberglass in the plastic bag
Bill,
so it don't break down with.
fiberglass in here. I guess.
Are you talking about the insulation?
Yeah, you probably put that stuff in there too, so it won't blow around.
Hey, you know, it'd be good for this, and it's cheap. Is that epoxy?
Yeah.
I'm gonna epoxy my
Wait, don't pull all that insulation out of the ceiling. If you need some help, there's a crowbar right there. Reach up there and pull it down.
Now you can blow foam in.
Oh, every piece of wood is gonna be a resin epoxy. I'm gonna use a reducer on the first coat so the wood soak you up, and then 2 coats after that. Everything.
Yeah. You just think this was marine plywood.
Yeah, some of it is. Some of it's not.
Yeah.
This boat is a, I think it's a 70, between 74 and 77. Yeah.
Keep that on.
What happened to that roof right there? Oh, y'all should have seen this boat.
I did when it was sunk.
Yeah,
I
but
was here when we pumped it out. Yeah, that worked.
I don't think nobody's gonna hit their head with 2x6s.
You know, I wonder how it would, you don't see them much anymore. They came out strong, but those metal studs,
Yeah.
they use them in, what, like shopping malls and shit.
Yeah. Well, those, they rest real easy.
I think they'd be perfect in here because
Yeah.
they flex.
Yeah, but when you're on the water, it's a lot of moisture.
Oh, that's true.
Stick with me, Tim.
Now, what about your,
All that can be trashed.
all this can be trash?
Yeah. Those screws, I need those screws on the other side. Save me about 5 or 6 of them to put the trim back on the window.
Which screws? These
Yeah, those screws right
little
there.
fat ones?
Well, they go to the window trim.
Oh, okay.
Just
yeah,
leave those
okay, I
screws.
see.
Well,
I'll just leave the screws.
you can have those or throw them away. Those are cheap.
That'd be kind of neat. I'm building a center island. I'm tearing down a wall.
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know, Bill. What do you think?
What?
Kick them for like in the kitchen? You know, for a light hanging down off that center island?